Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is AI a bubble or the future? In this video, we are going to explore the hype, the fear, the reality, and what all of this truly means for us. Before we begin, here is what we are going to talk about today. Why people think AI is a bubble. Why AI might not be a bubble at all. What the real truth is behind the hype. What the future will look like, and what you should do to stay ahead. Understanding the hype. Around AI is everywhere right now. Trending in the news, exploding on social media, growing faster than almost any technology in history. And this massive attention creates confusion. Some people feel excited, some feel scared, and many are unsure what to believe. Why people think AI is a bubble. Many people believe AI is a bubble. Prices are rising too fast. Startups with no profits are getting huge valuations. Investors are rushing into anything that has the word AI. This is classic bubble behavior. Overuse of the word AI. Everywhere you look, companies are adding the word AI. Even when the product has nothing intelligent inside, this makes the hype grow faster than the actual value. It happened before in past bubbles, and it is happening again. Media exaggeration. The media adds fuel to the fire. Flashy headlines, scary predictions, too much excitement, and too much fear. This makes people panic or invest blindly. Both are dangerous. Low quality AI tools. Let's be honest, many AI apps today are low quality. Copy-paste ideas, half-finished tools, quick money grabs. These will not survive, and these weak products make people think everything is hype. The other side of the story. But here is the important part. AI is not just hype. AI is a platform shift, a once-in-a-generation change, like electricity, like computers, like the internet, like smartphones. AI is that next big shift, real working use cases. And AI is already working in the real world. Doctors are diagnosing diseases faster. Students are learning better. Employees are saving hours of work. Businesses are reducing costs and increasing efficiency. This is not hype. This is real impact. Productivity and profit. AI does not just replace jobs. It replaces tasks. It helps humans work faster and smarter. More productivity means more profit. More profit creates long-term value. This is why big companies take AI seriously. Big tech investing billions. The biggest companies in the world are investing billions every single month. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Nvidia. They are not guessing. They are building the future. The balanced truth. So here is the balanced truth. Yes, there is a bubble, but the bubble is not AI itself. The bubble is in the hype surrounding AI, overpriced startups, fake AI tools, copy-paste apps. These will burst, but the core technology is strong, and it will shape the next decade. What will happen next? Weak AI companies will disappear. Strong companies will become giants. Jobs will change. People who use AI will move ahead. People who ignore AI will fall behind. This shift is already happening. What you should do. So what should you do? Do not chase hype. Instead, learn AI skills. Use AI in your studies, your work, and your business. Focus on real skills and real tools, because skills will always be more valuable than any trend. Final message. So is AI a bubble? Some parts, yes. But AI itself is the foundation of the future. Do not fear it. Do not blindly follow it. Understand it and use it to grow. If you want more simple and powerful videos like this, make sure you subscribe.